in the valley, bones in the dust, scars on my knuckles, iron and rust, fear in my chest like a caged black dove. But I walk in the shadow of a burning world, covered in love, covered in love. Towers all shaking, sirens all night, screams keep on screaming, feeding the fright. But I got a shelter that the storm can't breach. His wings over me like a shield I can't see. Still in my right.
You are my fortress, and the war inside when the arrows fly. Under your shadow, I will not die. I will not fear what haunts the sky.
When the ground splits open, I still stand, 'cause your mighty hand holds my hand. In the dark, in the fire, in the battle cry, you are my refuge, my refuge, my refuge. Rise Whispers of terror creep through the wire, poison in the air, cities on fire. 1,000 may fall, on my left they drop, 10,000 more on the right, but the plague must stop. Angels on assignment, blazing my back, walking through the ruins, I don't crack. Claws in the night, teeth in the smoke, but they choke on the name that I already spoke.
When I lie down, I am not afraid. When I wake up, I am not afraid. When the night stalks, I am not afraid. 'Cause you cover me, you cover me. You